Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caitlin of Lucky 13 Creations, and this is Scott.
Hi.
So we have a little bit of a different craft this week. I really wanted a mechanical keyboard for myself, so we're gonna open it up and we're gonna try to put it together. I've never had a mechanical keyboard before. He doesn't know what a mechanical keyboard is.
That's correct.
So this could be a very quick adventure or a very short one. We'll find out.
Okay.
So I guess first thing, we should start with the box I already opened. So I'll put descriptions of everything I bought in the link below. I got these Gateron blue clicky switch keys. I'm really excited, or switches. I'm super excited about those because they're loud and obnoxious like me. And then I got these like steampunk round pudding keycaps. So now this one came today. So let's open it up. Are you gonna help me? There's a tiny dog under the table.
Are you helping?
Oh, that light flickering's not gonna make for a good time for anybody. We're still working on lighting up in here. I haven't figured it out. Skirt?
No, I'm excited. If you wanted to stab me, you wouldn't do it on camera. You're too smart.
Okay. Oh, it's heavier than I thought it would be.
Ooh, that is heavy. More tape?
No. All right, let's go. And look, here's your picture you were looking for.
Excellent. When we were talking about this, I told her I could not assemble a keyboard without the keys. Like, I have no idea where they all actually go. And we could use an example keyboard from upstairs. But it came with a picture.
So that's all my wires and my keycap puller.
The Yankee tool. Yeah, great news. The directions are in Chinese. On that side.
So I bought a Barebones keyboard. So because what I wanted in a keyboard does not exist anywhere that I found. Because I didn't want just plain keys. I felt like half the keyboards that were exactly what I wanted as far as switches looked like they belonged on the original Apple computers. No thank you. It's so satisfying.
Oh, wow.
Are we an ASMR channel? Just no nails for that. But they're so thrown on the floor. No.
Jumpy.
We'll save him for the end.
Okay.
All I was gonna do is pick it up and click it at the camera. Clicky, clicky. Because it's so satisfying in their little trays.
See how that one escaped you?
Ah, got it. So, they're the loud, obnoxious ones.
Why? Are these taped?
No!
All right.
You're just gonna dump them everywhere. Stop.
Okay.
That was all.
All right.
Now you can go back to fighting.
Okay.
Unless you want me to do it, because you're making me scared.
I think I got it. I had to find the right corner that was stuck. All right. Okay.
Alright, so now we can figure out Oh, there's a little damage on that guy. Let's see. I think it's a matter of just oh, the two pokes, pretty much.
Just diversion.
I'm scared I'm gonna break it.
So, why did you choose the mechanical springs or whatever? Switches.
So there's a few different kinds. One, I have a normal cheapy keyboard that is the gasket membranes, and they just feel squishy, and I just don't love it, and it's kind of just annoying me. And so I've always kind of wanted a mechanical keyboard, but then at some point in the recent history, it just got in my brain, and whenever things get in my brain, I just need to move on them. So I decided to pull the trigger because I'm working on updating my working office right now. So
yeah,
that's why my roommates previously were tech nerds and they swore by their mechanical keyboards. And I played with them some, but like, you're not gonna take them from them.
gotcha.
You're gonna ask me to switch to brown switches after about a week, I think, though. Because brown switches don't have the audible click.
Oh.
They're a lot quieter, but they should have the same tactile feel.
Interesting. But you wanted the clicking noise?
This week.
This week, okay.
That's also why I wanted to have a keyboard that I could switch all the parts on, because they make like switch testers where a company will give you like a 10 keys worth of all their different kind of switches, and you can sit there and like versus I don't know, but this isn't gonna work for a video.
No.
Right, lighting issues.
Well, please.
Shall we?
Yes.
Can't see anything for looking right into the light.
So, thank you guys. Swear by the mechanical.
Should I plug this keyboard in before we get too far and make sure the lights actually freaking work?
It's a good idea. What do we need to plug it in with?
It needs a USB, so like ideally a computer, but I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know if it'll just go off random USB power.
Go upstairs and get your.
Well, let's see if we have to go there.
That came on. I didn't realize there's a tiny little screen right there. That's fun.
I don't know, you have the Chinese instructions, my dear. Just a tentative check as I flip the switch. It looks like everything is blinking. Cool, so I'm gonna take that as it works for now. Cool. I think you have to download some software for it.
You can change the background in it even. Make like, that's the background of your keys.
It's kind of like Legos.
It is. Oop. We're freaking out the keyboard. We're starting to push buttons. Alright, so So we have mechanical cookie buttons that are audibly clicking. How about the, you described it as Steampunk? Why did you choose those keys?
Just they're pretty.
Aesthetics?
I mean, if I wanted clunky, I can buy that all over the place. But I really liked the typewriter style keyboards. I just thought they were pretty. But every one I found either wasn't the switch I wanted, because wireless was a requirement. Because I've got too many cables on my desk as it is, so I'm trying to eliminate cables as best I can. So I wanted a wireless keyboard. And so I could find wireless, but they wouldn't be the switches I wanted. Or if I found the switches I wanted, they were wired. Or more, the thing that makes it harder is I spend a lot of time on Excel, so that having my 10 key is an absolute must. If I wanted a compact or a 65% keyboard, I could find what I wanted all day, every day. Because gamers, which these are technically gaming keyboards, from what I can tell, based on my research, gamers don't tend to like a full keyboard.
It's really strange to me.
They don't use the 10 key, I guess. I don't know. If you're a gamer, tell me why you don't like a full-size keyboard. I love me a full-size keyboard, but I live on my 10 key as well. Yeah, so the only way I could get everything I wanted was to jump in and do it myself. Like, I think you're actually supposed to lube part of these, but I didn't do research on that, and I'm too anxious to start playing with my new keyboard, so here we are.
Yeah, gamer fan will scold us.
Wouldn't be the first time a gamer scolded me for something asinine.
Oh, okay. Is that a story you want to share, or should I just take your word for it?
Take my word for it.
Okay. Definitely never been a gamer. I guess I play Pokemon, but that's like the only game I'm really good at.
We still gotta put keycaps on.
I know. Alright. Now the hard part, in my mind.
I don't know. Do you wanna disassemble one of these switches and see how it works?
Kinda, but I think we should wait until we're sure all the buttons really work.
Okay, fine. See that way. Oh, I know where this one goes.
Excellent.
And I still almost put it on upside down.
Shift the enter. This is the enter for the
Well, we have our. I was gonna see if we could actually do it, but I don't want to do this 6 times. So I'm gonna invest in us cheating.
Yes.
As much as I want to see how good are we actually, I want to go to bed at some point tonight.
Yeah. There's 0.
Not super stable on here. hard, actually. If it fits right. It's just kind of wobbly in there. These ships are different sizes. Interesting. I wonder if we should be intelligent in how we put this on, like, if it'll be easier to see. F1. Okay, I have a question. Why is this one this way, but all the others are that way? Why is it upside down?
Oh, because it's a 0 and I guessed wrong.
There's a keycap holder for literally this reason. Oh! That's a failure mode I wasn't expecting. Motherfucker broke. Okay.
Alright.
This is a very cheap keycap set. It was only like $17, so.
Okay.
Let's get them in right the first time if we can.
Yeah, my mistake. I will not repeat it.
We've got like 100 keys left to put on. You sure we can lay claim to that?
Well.
There's 104 keys on this keyboard.
That's F12. I knew you shouldn't. You promised. I know. I know. so hard.
Yeah.
Silver case is kind of sliding on.
Alright, so maybe get a different set of keycaps than these. The silver's not really on several of them.
Suppose we could kind of make that a side project one day and glue them all.
I mean, in theory, once they're on,
Yeah, they're not coming back off.
right, I'm not gonna... I don't have section cups in my fingertips.
What if you invite an octopus over and want to type something? But with sucky noises.
I would probably not have a good day.
Fair enough.
The sucky noises would drive me nuts. Why clickies are fine, but suckies aren't, can't tell you, but...
All right. Today we learned. We can't let our imaginary pet octopus use the keyboard. Wait, number lock is short.
That's because I put number lock in. So I really push them down to get them all the way in. You don't push them down at all. Like, you just kind of like, oop, it's on there, and it's like, there's a score mark on the side, like a catch. So yeah, you can tell which keys you put in versus which ones I put in.
Computer. Yeah.
So far, I do not know how it works this thing.
Cool.
Brilliant, right?
Let's see what happens. If the computer explodes, it was a good run.
Yeah, so...
Excellent.
Ooh,
my.
so shiny! I don't think...
I don't think they can see it.
Yeah.
There's the dongle.
What?
Where was it?
I don't know.
Maybe it was folded up in one of the little feet or something.
Maybe. We're just gonna put that there so I don't lose it again. Alright, so we've got it connected. So let's do a little bit of... I kind of like this one. Breathing.
Yeah.
Ah. I don't know why those three are special. listen.
Oh.
That's so fun. Well, I know which one's most obnoxious. That's so neat.
That's really cool.
Ooh. Pew, 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 pew. Oh my god. Ooh, it's like dancing.
Okay, no, it doesn't react to me touching. Ooh, like
Sparkles. I don't know how many modes there are. I don't remember. That's kind of fun. Oh my.
Oh dear. That's wild. Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Oh, it's just a coincidence.
It's like raining colors now. It's changing colors each time.
Yeah.
Soft pink. Rainbows from the middle. I guess we're back off. I kind of like the obnoxious one though.
I don't remember where it was in the order.
Oh, that one. It's like single key.
Yeah.
That's kind of neat.
That one.
No. Maybe.
That was the full key, and the next one was it went left or right.
No, I don't want to do I wonder if that pink one we can change the color. Brightness, speed, backlight mode, hue increase. I don't know, let's try it. Ah, yes. Oh, I have my blue keyboard somewhere in here.
That's pretty cool.
And then brightness, how bright does it go? So it looks like it's maxed out on bright. How dim does it go? So that's not bad. And then saturation increase. More deep. So you can pick. Oh, ooh, royal.
Very nice.
Oh, it's like fading a little bit. I think I accidentally switched to key type. Maybe not. more into the purple this time.
Okay.
There it goes. I don't know what it's doing. But that's cool.
Yeah, it is. Very cool. Oh, that's super cool. Start to see.
Yeah, a little bit. That's
super
fine.
cool.
All right. Well, now we get to play with the software, I guess.
Okay.
It doesn't feel all wiggly when you're just tapping like it was when we were like cranking down on it.
Thinking out loud.
Oh, that's what you can change. It's got a little, you can't see it. There's no way you can see it, but it's a little video up here.
It is a bunny driving a Jeep. It changes.
I kind of like the thumbs up guy best.
Thumbs up, bear. This is totally unnecessary and I love it.
Right? Do anything? No. That's fantastic. So that's what you can change the image of.
Okay.
That makes more sense.
Sure does.
I don't think I want to change him.
At this point, we're in love.
Yeah, that one. He's telling me I'm doing a good job. I need all the help I can get.